Hello everyone, today I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm actually going to preview and explain and provide a bit of detail regarding one of the most recent exciting projects in my opinion coming up. I'm actually going to include this project in another video I'm making, 5 most exciting pre-construction projects in my estimation, just my opinion. But today's video is dedicated to this project solely. First, I will give you some general details about location, developer, and then thereafter I will talk about pricing and the type of units available. Thereafter, I will provide some basic details regarding features and finishes. Before last, I will give a quick letter grade in terms of my opinion as of now, only being accustomed and familiar with this property, or rather this project, within the past 24 hours, just a general letter grade at the top of my head about how good of a project this is for both end users and investors alike. And possibly lastly, I'll provide some floor plans at the end of this video. Maybe we'll see how I feel during the editing process. If you are interested about this project, or if you have any questions about any other real estate matters, I have a lot of videos on tenancy laws, what your money can buy, explaining basic real estate concepts, my news items. Feel free to subscribe, comment, rate, and review, and get in touch with me in the description. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So this is an exciting project that's just about to launch. It's by Oxford Group in Daniels. The name of the project is Condominiums at Square One at 395 Square One Drive. Basic details: 45 stories, one building. Approximate occupancy has not been disclosed, but in my professional opinion, you're looking at something approximately 2024, worst case scenario, potentially 2025. It's going to be a mixed use development, as is the case with, I would say, 80% of the new developments throughout the GTA, with the lower grounds obviously being occupied by commercial and retail space, while the residentials is stacked up top. It's going to house about 539 units, ranging from bachelors and studios to 2 bedrooms plus dens. Now, based on the price list I have, it starts at the 410s and goes all the way up to the low 900s, with the smallest units being studios with 1 washroom, and the largest units being 2 bedrooms, 2 washrooms plus den. The aforementioned small units, the 1 studio with 1 washroom, starting at 410, is called the Accent, and you're looking about 400 square feet, 400 to 425 square feet. Next up, you have your 1 bedroom plus 1 washroom suites, full washroom obviously, ranging in size from the 490s to 550s, in terms of size and in terms of price, coming from the 470s to the 580s. The next tier is your 1 bedroom plus den and 1 washroom units, wherein once again they range from 600 square feet to 711 square feet in terms of size, and 566 to 659 in terms of price. Let's move on to some of the features, and one feature I'm going to start with is the ceiling heights. Now, according to the manuals and the documentation I have at my hands, approximately 9 feet ceilings in all principal rooms, which are defined as dining and living areas. In terms of flooring, it's laminate throughout the unit, except obviously with the bathroom and any other laundry storage areas. Those are the key exceptions. In the kitchen, you got quartz countertops and matching kitchen islands. According to my documents, all kitchens are finished with a European style appliances, meaning stainless steel refrigerators and paneled dishwasher. Those are just very basic details about the suites. Now let me give a letter grade in terms of what I think of this project. The criteria is a combination of the style and aesthetic of the project, plus I take into account the builders and their track record. Lastly, in terms of economic value, if it's bang for your buck, whether you're an investor or a potential end user. One last thing I want to preface is that everyone's case differs, right? I'm just saying this as a general grade. If I were to sit down with you and talk to you, see your financials, see your goals, see your timelines, as an end user or as an investor, it may be that this project is not right for you, even if I think this project is amazing. Similarly, if I give this project a bad letter grade, if I sit down with you, it might be the other way around. I think, no, for most people, this project is not good, but for you, it might be great. So keep that in mind. This is a general letter grade. I would have to give this project a B+, both in terms of aesthetics and architectural integrity, whether it's good for you as an investor and an end user. This case is even more pronounced if you're looking at some of the cheaper units, potentially some of the 1 bedroom plus den units. Typically, those see the most return for owners of investment units, and I think these are priced at a relatively well and competitive level. Anyways, that's Sam from SaberiSixRealEstate. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm going to release a video shortly explaining some more tenancy laws that are key to note for both landlords and tenants. Yeah, and feel free to get in touch, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.